guys. Hey guys.
Yeah.
Cool, right on. Okay, we have a simulated ankle jumps, but no, we don't have any ankle jumps period. So you step over this belt and in these holes. Well, I mean... Seriously, you'll love it. It's fun. Whenever you're ready, we'll always be here, okay? Okay, I'll shut down. Put a top on you. Great. I'm running back.
Yeah, we get to guard or house. There you go. Like sit down, relax.
I'm gonna do it and just do it and sit constantly. We just get up to the top. A lot of times you get up there and you look down and you're like, oh my God, what am I doing up here? You know? But actually, you know, once you take that first step, you could have been up there with her. All you guys.
This one, guys. Woo, she's done!
You stinker. She went head first.
Come on, guys. Woo, she's done! This one, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so much more scary when you're up there than when you're down here.
Big break, you land in the airbag and you walk off. You just shake it up a little, but give me a good rush.
Oh, Kevin! Feeling so scary.
Walk off, you just shake it up a little, but give me a good rush.
Oh, Kevin! This one, guys. But I look kind of scared though. Yeah, but you went head first, I think you're not. You took it out of the spot, guys. Do you have to pay $10 more to do that again? Kevin, you didn't do a swan dive like you said you would. Let's watch the other guy. Oh yeah, we have to.
Hey, bud.
Alright, good job, man.
Was that scary jumping off? You looked like you were going to do the swan dive, and all of a sudden, I'm going to take pictures too. Dad. Mom.
He said he's never done this. He's going crazy.
start thinking about it, you're like, I ain't gonna go. Okay, then take the wristband off.
We'll see you there.